everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you anti-aging face treatment with chia seeds. Chia seeds contain the most precious for our health and beauty omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, a lot of different vitamins and powerful antioxidants. The chia contains a natural antibiotic which promotes the early healing of wounds and ulcers on the skin. That is why chia seeds are very good for acne-prone skin as well. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, which strengthens not only our bones, but also helps our skin maintain its elasticity. In today's video, I will be sharing with you rejuvenating chia seed facial scrub and intensive chia seed facial mask. And now let me show you the ingredients and I will tell you afterwards how to use it. As you can see, I use pink clay in the scrub recipe because in fact this clay is a mixture of white and red clay, and while white and red clay they individually solve several problems with the skin, pink clay combines all the best qualities of both types, and that's why pink clay acts twice as efficiently and can be used to solve a wider range of skin problems. It deeply cleanses the pores, whitens, tones up, and does a lot of good stuff for our skin. And thanks to the copper that it helps with the production of collagen and elastin as well. The best way to use the scrub is to apply it on a wet skin when you are in the shower. Scrub it for around 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off with a lukewarm water. After that, when you finish with your scrub, apply your mask with the thick layer on your face. You can apply it under your eyes too, on your neck, on your décolletage area, and of course don't forget about your beautiful hands. It will serve them well as well. Leave it for 20-25 minutes and then rinse it off with the lukewarm water. After this treatment, you do not have to apply any moisturizer, but if you have a dry skin and you feel any kind of discomfort, then apply your favorite moisturizer. And that's it for today. If you like this video and found it helpful, press the like button below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by clicking on the red button under this video, and I wish you all the best. Thank you for staying with me, and I will see you in the next video.